Have you ever wondered why your battery drains so fast? These are 5 hidden settings might be the silent killers. So let's fix them. So at number 1 is background app refresh. This feature lets app date even when you are not using them. Solution for this, tap on settings, then general and then background app refresh. If you tap on it, you can off them all or you can turn off manually and keep the one which you required. Second setting that cause battery drainage is location services. So hit the settings, then privacy and security and then location services. You can turn off or you can set while using the app, and if any application is using always, just change to while using the app. At number 3 is auto brightness. For this, so in settings, tap on accessibility, then display and text size. At last, turn this off and manage your brightness from control center instead of auto brightness. At number 4 is automatic Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Tap on privacy and security, then location services, then go down and system services. And here look for network and wireless. Just disable it. The reason of disabling this is because your iPhone constantly scans for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth networks even when you are not using them. And last one is the big one most people ignore. If you are in a low signal area, basement, elevator or any remote location, your iPhone works overtime trying to stay connected with your cellular service provider. So I suggest you to go to the control center and turn on the airplane mode. This can also save a battery life. That's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.